Hey everybody, this is your coach Andrea Dickerson here with EyeOnTheDaycare.com, where we connect childcare business owners with proven management solutions. For today's proven management solutions, I want to give you a few ideas for systems that you can put in place to promote your open house. So if you're interested in conducting an open house, give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
I don't want to move fast. I want to move correctly. I just don't want to waste no time. If it's something that's going to take us a year to make, if it's something that's going to take us 10 years to make, that's fine, long as we don't waste no time. Longevity.
All right, everybody, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for standing along with me. I want to give you guys a few announcements. Now, what's happening right now in the Jumpstart Blueprint community is where we are giving out the systems to conducting your open house. We've given out the systems for your open house checklist, and we're giving out the systems for your open house SOP. So let me tell you, there's a big difference between those things that we talked about. One level is we're going to be teaching the marketing systems for open house. And then the second level, we're going to be teaching the SOPs. So your SOPs is what your team does around you to make the open house a great success. And then we are going to talk about the checklist, because I believe that every system in your business needs processes and procedures. So your processes are like your jot forms, checklists, things of that nature. And then your systems, those are what a person can read and follow instructions. So today I'm just going to give you a few quick tips on promoting your childcare business through an open house event. And I have my SOPs printed out right here. They come from the Blueprint course. So if you are a continual ed member, hey, stay tuned. This is going to be great for you. And if you are not a continual ed member and you want to be involved, be sure to join our wait list for when we open up the membership program again. And so let's get ready to dive in. All right, so I just want to show you guys that with all my SOPs, I label it SOP. I think that's essential. And I start out letting everybody know the name of the program and what's happening. So let's go through this. So for promoting our childcare business, the first thing I have my team do is to put a banner up. Your banner has the date and time when the open house will be, and it also includes a theme. So make sure that you don't just do something black and white and simple, but you have a theme. Nowadays, it's so important for your theme to transcend beyond, hey, come check us out. Your theme should be where your community gets involved. Your theme should be where you have sort of like a party. Your theme should be where it's exciting, it's kid focused, it's family focused, and you want your theme to encourage people to show up. All right, so make sure you have a banner that's themed and that it encourages people to show up because it's fun, it's exciting, and it's community-based. All right, number 2, make sure that you are advertising on all platforms. Now, when I say platforms, I'm not just talking about social media. You want to make sure that the flyers are out in the community. So you need a foot team, a team of people that's going to help you put flyers out. Then you want to make sure that your ads are running online. Got to have ads. And then you want to make sure that your organic marketing is moving forward. So you got to be posting about it, showing behind the scenes and videos. All right. And so then you want to make sure that you've done even the basics, such as mail out letters to your schools, speak to your principals, get engaged with community outreach programs so that they'll know that this is happening in your community. As well as you could possibly get newsworthy, especially if it's a big community event. Become newsworthy. Just get involved in the community, make those connections, as well as create a list of people that you will become involved with every single year and make it your business to grow your list every single year of people. All right, here's the next one. Make sure that you are putting up your flyers in high traffic areas. So that means I want your flyers where people are. So you got to think about it. Where do people go? Where would my ideal client go? So, like during the summertime, many of moms are saying they're getting fit. So make sure you're tapping into that fitness market. Make sure that you're tapping into that grocery store market because moms are having to shop more during the summer because children are home and more food is being consumed. So make sure you're hitting up those two areas. Those are great places to place your information. All right, now here are some preparation things that you also include on your SOP. You let your team know what preparation you want in your classrooms, all the way from your bulletin boards to your shelving, to your table setup, to your cubby setup. All of those areas that I just mentioned, those are great selling points for your business. All right, and then there are certain things that you have to do to ensure that the day of works. So let me tell you a little bit about my SOP for that. So I use, again, the open house checklist. I create an open house checklist, and I tell each person in my business who does what. Let me show you a little bit of back office. I have a list of what the director does. I have a list of what the maintenance people and helpers do. I have a list of what happens in the pre-K room. I have a list of what happens in the after-school room. And I have a list of the marketing to do 2 weeks in advance, the uniforms that staff should wear. So I have a full layout of how I want for things to be done for my open house. Remember, it's all about you having an organized, systematic, operating business. This is how you're able to be free to think of money generating ideas. When you get free with systems, you begin to unclog your creativity and tap into your money maker. I know that's exactly what happened for me. Well, all right, I've given you tons of information that can cause you to create wealth in your business right now. So don't sit on this information and treat this video like it's average. I believe that because it's time for your open house, this information will help you change the game in your industry. Now, I know talking about it is not as consuming as it is to be a part of the environment and in the class. So if you have not become a part of the Jumpstart Blueprint community, then I advise you to do so right now today. Well, as I always say, if you manage the childcare business that you love, you will love the childcare business that you manage. Bye, you guys.